Hey guys, today's Halloween and my first video. My name is Nerf Dude, and today I'm going to be doing a review on the Nerf bowstrike. It is a gun that is loaded like this with a pop-up sight and 2 airplane wings. And it comes with a blaster itself and 3 elite bullets. I know these are not elite bullets, they're Active Strike bullets, but I don't care because elite bullets suck. Now, it has this little sight and a double. Yes, Mom, I am doing a video. And it has 2 sights for some reason, and these airplane wings that literally do nothing. You could live without them. So it's pretty much a little crossbow. And let's get down to the firing test. Also, I modded this thing earlier. Don't say my name. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I modded this thing the other day when I got it, so it might not be as good. Results may vary. I know I'm being all official saying that. So let's get down to the test firing. Test 1. Test 2. So as you can see, very crappy results. I wouldn't recommend it as a backup pistol because, I mean, who would just like, hey bruh, I got a crappy gun that has airplane wings. Don't mess with me. You. I mean, who would do that? I would definitely recommend something like the Big Shock or the Falcon Fire. I don't have them on me right now, but they're both very good little pistols. Or even the Double Down. I mean, that's better than this. I mean, sorry if you're a fan of the Double Down, but still. So anyways, this is the Nerf bowstrike. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was informative, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.